This video will help you set up and start using your wrist blood pressure monitor. Blood pressure can vary greatly depending on a number of factors, but there are a few simple tips that will help you get the most accurate measurements. You'll need to set up your monitor using the start, stop, and up and down arrow buttons. When you start up the device for the first time, it will be in setup mode. You can also press the power button while the display is off for about 3 seconds to enter setup mode. The user button will work as your up arrow, the mem button will work as your down arrow to scroll through menu options, and the start button will work as your select key. Use the arrow buttons to change the year, then press the start button to confirm your selection. Once you press start, these steps will appear on the screen as follows: month, day, 12-hour clock or military time, and hours and minutes. The next screen will ask whether or not you'd like to use the Position Assistant feature. Having the proper arm position is one of the most important factors in getting an accurate measurement. When this feature is on, it will notify you when your arm is in the proper place. You may choose to turn this feature on or off by pressing the up and down arrows. Press Start once you select your final setting. After setup is complete, the monitor will show each of your settings, then turn off. The monitor is now ready to take your blood pressure. Sit at a table and rest for 5 minutes before you measure. When you're ready, fasten the cuff on your left wrist about 1 finger's width from the bottom of your palm. Make sure the face of the monitor is on the same side as your palm. Sit with good posture and with your feet flat on the floor. Rest your elbow on the table. If the monitor is too high, your blood pressure will read low. If the monitor is too low, your blood pressure will read high. So make sure the monitor is level with your heart. Press Start and choose the user you'd like to be by pressing one of the arrow buttons, and then Start. If you have the position monitor turned on, the monitor will not start the reading until your arm is at a 45-degree angle and the arrows on the side of the screen have gone away. The monitor will start automatically once your arm has been in the proper position for 1 second. Maintain the same arm position throughout the entire measurement. The monitor will finish and show your results. Press the Start/Stop button to power off, or wait for the screen to turn off on its own. Your measurements will be stored automatically. To achieve accurate readings, it's important to measure blood pressure under the same conditions each time. It's a good idea to take your blood pressure at the same time of day and to wait 30 minutes after eating, bathing, exercising, or drinking alcohol, as these are all things that will affect your blood pressure. If you think you may have had a bad reading, wait at least 3 minutes before trying again. To view your past results, press the memory button when the monitor is off. Use the arrow button to toggle between users, then the start button to choose one. The first thing you'll see is your latest reading. To view your 3-day average, push the down arrow. Because blood pressure varies, we recommend paying the most attention to the average of your measurements over the past 3 days. You may then scroll through your results using the arrow buttons. If you see the arm position icon paired with a seemingly inaccurate result, you may have moved your arm out of the ideal position during a measurement. Consult with your doctor about what your results mean for you.
We hope you found this setup video helpful. If you are not able to find what you're looking for in the Getting Started guide, please contact one of our product specialists. They'd be happy to help.